Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of MEXC and how you can maximize your trading experience with our MEXC referral code. If you're looking to enhance your cryptocurrency trading journey, you're in the right place. MEXC is a renowned trading platform that provides users with a seamless way to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. One of the best ways to get started with MEXC is to use a referral code, and I'm thrilled to share our exclusive MEXC referral code, 12K4M5. By entering this referral code when you sign up, you unlock exclusive discounts and benefits that can significantly boost your trading advantages. Using our referral code not only gives you access to lower trading fees, but may also provide you with bonus offers tailored just for you. This means more savings in your pocket. When you trade on MEXC, you're not just gaining access to a user-friendly interface. The platform boasts a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and exceptional customer support. By utilizing the MEXC referral code 12K4M5, you can revel in these features while enjoying added benefits. The referral program is designed to reward you for being part of the MEXC community. With every trade and transaction, you'll experience a smoother process and potentially more profitable outcomes, thanks to the reduced fees. Imagine saving money while trading the assets you love. That's a win-win. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, don't forget to input our MEXC referral code 12K4M5 during sign-up. Share this opportunity with your friends too. They'll thank you for it. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Let's explore the horizon of crypto opportunities together.